Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp calling feature. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging platforms that keeps on adding new features, thus offering an amazing user experience. Not just messages, but users can also make voice and video calls using WhatsApp. Recently, the calling feature has been rolled out by the app for voice and video calls. With the calling feature, you can create a voice or video calling and share it with your contacts. Moreover, your contact can directly connect to an active voice or video call after tapping on the shared calling. So, how to use this feature? So, first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can go to call tabs here. Tap on calls. You'll see on the top of the calls tab there is an option create calling. You can tap on that. Now you can choose the type of the calling. If you want to create video call, you can choose on video call, but if you only want with the voice call, you can tap on voice call. So here's the link. You can copy the link and you can share it. Share the link via WhatsApp. You can share the link to another social media platform. I will share it like this. And if your contact tap on the link, they'll join to the call or video call. So that is how to use WhatsApp calling on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.